Okay, I'm going to show you something that you will have never seen before. I had never seen it before until I came across a guy selling 50 cars a month. And I said, how do you do that? And there was a number of different things he did, but one of the things he did was he goes, I don't present the numbers like I was taught. I said, okay, how do you present the numbers? He said, I present the numbers like any other business in the world would present the numbers. No business in the world walks out with an appraisal and puts it down in front of a customer and starts going through the numbers. No business. What do then? They provide a summary of benefits prior to presenting the numbers. Do we want the customer to give us all the money?
Yes.
Okay. Then why wouldn't we take 2 minutes to remind them of all the value that comes with the F-150? And the answer is, hadn't thought about it before. Let me ask you this question. What is the Brad Manning Ford dealer proposition? Value proposition. What do I get when I buy a Ford here?
So the tagline we've used, they use in the past would make it easy.
Okay.
So it's obviously you're building value.
Which is worth absolutely nothing to me.
Correct. But I'm just saying, as far as you have to like what we stand for as far as how we're presenting our numbers, how we are being forthcoming with information and being like.
Which is all important. And that should be bleeding through the entire process. Okay, but now I'm about to ask Ed to give me $63,000 or whatever the number is. Okay? Am I going to get anything that has quantifiable value from Brad Manning Ford once I take delivery? An oil change? You guys tell me.
We don't offer anything.
Okay, no problem. Because Ford has a value proposition, okay? What's Ford's value proposition?
The warranty.
Which one?
Both. There's a factory powertrain and a factory bumper to bumper.
What else?
They have rebates are from the manufacturer.
Rebates are part of the numbers.
Okay. They offer service stations, places to
Won't they come out and change your oil now or something?
mobile service. Sure.
Yeah.
I don't think they do oil changes.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, I think they do.
We're doing it big time.
Yeah.
You ever see that mobile service van that gets pulled in every night?
Sure,
They're
I-
out on the road all day.
But I thought that was more of like hooking up computers and doing recalls. See, that's not told to us. We have no idea what they're doing.
No, I mean, I'm a Ford customer, I know. They will come out to my house and change my oil and filter and rotate my tires, which I find to be fascinating. Okay, I mean, Mercedes-Benz stores don't do that. Okay, so there's that. What else?
You're getting a cool product.
The product. Okay, I'm talking about the value. This is called the factory value proposition. Do I get roadside assistance?
Yep.
Does that have a value? You know what it costs? You know what roadside assistance costs these days? If I have to pay for it, $7 a month. I'm going to get 5 years worth. So that's over $400 worth of roadside assistance. Okay, am I going to get Sirius Radio for 90 days?
Yeah. Forecast out.
The Ford Pass app, which I love the Ford Pass app. I use it a lot.
I think
Okay.
the rewards points that you use towards service or accessories.
My last service cost me nothing because I bought that, or I got that Ford credit card, so I've got all these points. So I didn't have to pay a thing. Okay, value there. What else? That's plenty.